Breaking news. Another deadly crash on Jamaica's roads claims multiple lives. These words have become all too familiar to us Jamaicans. But today, we're not just reporting the news. We're calling for action. We're demanding change. And we're asking you to be part of the solution. Welcome to Deadly Roads, Jamaica's Traffic Crisis. This isn't just another video. This is a wake-up call, a rallying cry, and a roadmap to safer streets. If you care about your life, your family's lives, or the future of our beautiful island, you need to watch this video to the end. We're tackling a problem that's been plaguing our nation for far too long, the carnage on our roads. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another lecture about road safety? Boring! But trust me, this isn't your typical PSA. We're going to dive deep into the heart of this crisis, uncover some shocking truths, and most importantly, learn how each of us can be part of the solution. Buckle up because this ride might get bumpy, but it's one we need to take together. Let's start with the harsh reality. Death is stalking the streets of Jamaica. Excessive speeding, poor judgment, and drunk driving are the assassins. And our pothole-riddled roads? They're practically rolling out the red carpet for disaster. The numbers are grim. In 2023, we lost 425 lives to road accidents. That's 425 families torn apart, 425 futures erased. And while it's a slight improvement from 2022, it's still 425 too many. But these aren't just statistics. These are real people, real tragedies. Let me share some of the heartbreaking accidents we've seen. December 2008. In Portland's Rio Grande Valley, 14 people, including a 10-year-old boy, died when a market truck plunged off a cliff. It took rescuers 15 agonizing hours to recover the bodies. December 2009. A two-bus collision in St. Ann claimed 5 lives, including a young dressmaker and 2 siblings. December 2019. 3 women lost their lives on the Discovery Bay Main Road when a driver failed to return to his lane after overtaking. November 2020. In another tragic incident on the same road, 4 family members, including 2 teenagers, perished in a fiery crash. May 2016. Between Runaway Bay and St. Ann's Bay, 5 people died when a speeding minibus collided with an SUV. November 2023. In Westmoreland, 5 people, including 2 mothers and their children, died in a horrific crash between a taxi and a box truck. April 2024. Just a few months ago, 3 people lost their lives in a multi-vehicle crash in Ocho Rios, St. Ann. Each of these accidents is a stark reminder of the price we're paying for reckless driving and unsafe roads. But here's the thing. They were all preventable. Now, you might be wondering, why is this happening? Aren't other countries dealing with the same issues? Well, yes and no. According to the World Health Organization, Jamaica's road fatality rate is 18 per 100,000 population. That's higher than the average of 14 per 100,000 for the Americas. We're not just failing, we're falling behind our neighbors. But there's hope. Countries around the world have found ways to make their roads safer. Sweden, for example, introduced the Vision Zero approach, aiming to eliminate all traffic fatalities and severe injuries. They've redesigned roads, lowered speed limits in urban areas, and heavily enforced drunk driving laws. As a result, they've seen a significant decrease in road deaths. Japan, despite its dense population and busy roads, has one of the lowest traffic fatality rates in the world. How? Through a combination of strict driver education, regular vehicle inspections, and advanced road engineering. We can learn from these success stories, but we also need to find solutions that work for Jamaica, our culture, and our unique challenges. That's where you come in. Yes, you. Whether you're a driver, a passenger, a pedestrian, or even if you don't use the roads much, you have a role to play in this fight for safer streets. Here are some ways you can make a difference. Be a road safety ambassador. Share what you learned from this video with your friends and family. Start conversations about safe driving habits. Support local road safety initiatives, attend community meetings, participate in awareness campaigns, and volunteer for organizations working on this issue. Report dangerous road conditions. If you see a pothole, a malfunctioning traffic light, or any other hazard, report it to the authorities. Use social media responsibly. Instead of posting that selfie while driving, share road safety tips and stories that can inspire others to drive more carefully. Advocate for better policies. Write to your local representatives, sign petitions, and make your voice heard in support of stricter traffic laws and better road infrastructure. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, and every small step counts. By working together, we can turn the tide and make Jamaica's roads safer for everyone. So Jamaica, are you ready to take on this challenge? Are you ready to be part of the solution? Let's do this together. Let's make our roads a place of life, not death. Share this video, start those important conversations, and most importantly, be an example when you're on the road. Together, we can end this crisis and save countless lives. Remember, every life lost on our roads is one too many. Let's drive safe, drive smart, and keep Jamaica moving in the right direction. Until next time, take care and stay safe out there.